Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bootstrap tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this series of tutorials, we are going to learn about the most popular framework of HTML and CSS named Bootstrap. So, in this series, we are going to learn about the navigation bar. Well, you must have seen various navigation bars and with different types, with drop downs, with logos, with return text, with headings. In this session, we are going to learn how to include this all buttons, links, drop downs in a particular navbar. Well, what exactly is navbar? Well, navbar is a navigation header which a website page have. So, without wasting any time, we will move on towards an example. Well, we will take a nav tag and we'll give it a class navbar expand sm, then navbar dark, and in that particular tag we will take a anchor tag with class navbar brand. Then we will give it a href. Let's suppose we will take this and we will write any name, company name. You can write company name, your name. I am writing my name. Now let's just save it and see it what we get. After the anchor tag, we will take a ul with class navbar nav. We'll close it. Inside that we will write list class navbar item. Inside that particular we will write anchor tag with class navbar link, and we can give an href to this particular link. We will give it as for now, and we can write some of the headings or page names or section names of that in that particular website. Let's give it link 1, and like this only we will give another, and we'll take it. So now we will be adding a drop down button inside that particular navbar. For that we'll write li class navbar item, and we will write a class of drop down button drop down. Now inside that we will take an anchor tag with the same class navbar link, plus we will write the drop down toggle, and we will write data toggle drop down. Okay, so as simple as that. Now we will give it as a drop down. Okay. Now after that we will have to give a class drop down menu. Inside that we will take some anchor tags item with particular href as we want, and we will give it drop down one. Then we will copy this and we can give it 2 and 3. Okay, now let's just see what we have done till now. Well, now you can see that I have got my name with the particular link, and I have got link 1, link 2 and a drop down. So they are kind of looking good now, and we got a drop down also with drop down 1, drop down 2, drop down 2, 3 with all the links. As I hover over it, the link opens. Okay, so this was the nav bar. Well, you got the drop down button, you got links. Well, instead of this particular written name, you can add a logo also of that particular website. Well, this was all about the navigation bar. Well, you can add some more CSS properties and emphasize it with the various properties. So we learned how to make a navbar of particular website today. But in the next session, we will be learning some more amazing classes about Bootstrap. So till then, keep coding and happy learning. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.